Consider the function f of x equals 2 ln of x plus 1 plus 5. Describe the transformations applied to the parent function ln of x to obtain the graph of f of x, then sketch a rough graph of f of x showing the vertical asymptote and key points. All right. First off, ln of x is a regular logarithmic function when graph looks like this. Okay, now what we're doing is we're multiplying it by 2, right? So by multiplying it by 2, you are giving yourselves a vertical dilation with the scale factor of 2. When you add 1 inside of the parentheses with x, you are actually moving left 1. So we will call that a horizontal translation by a number of -1, because we're moving left 1. When you add 5 on the outside, you're just shifting up 5. So that's a vertical translation with a scale factor of 5 because you're moving up 5. These are the words that we use. Don't say on an AP exam, move left 1. They don't want to see that. Don't say, oh, make that skinnier. They don't want to see that. They want to see a vertical dilation with a scale factor of 2, which makes it appear skinnier. They want you to say horizontal translation of -1. And they want to see the words vertical translation of 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw ourselves a sketch. Horizontal translation of 1 means we're now going to have a horizontal asymptote along the -1 axis, like so. This is going to appear skinnier and appear as if it's shifted up 5 units. So rather than just going like that, we're going to move it up and have it slowly go like that. Okay, so what if we want to be cute about this? There's my vertical asymptote, and we could say something to the effect that the limit as x approaches what, -1 from the right of, what is this, f of x, is going to appear to be -infinity. You know, we could just throw that in there just for funsies, even though we don't have to, but we did. Yeah, logs are fun to graph.